In this next tutorial, lecture, we're going to be installing the Oracle client on Commvault. So let's get started. Let's go to Tools, then Add Remove Software, then Install Software. Same thing with the wizard. So we're going to push Next and Install Wizard. This is going to be a Windows actually, because it's a Windows server. If you would do it on a Linux box, of course it'd be a Linux, but since it's an Oracle database we've installed on the Windows box, we're going to do Windows and push next. So we're going to do manual select computers. We're going to import from Active Directory. We're going to select our domain name, garlic food. Push OK. We're going to see a bunch of our domain computers show up whenever it stops loading, right? Yeah. Okay. So I put that Oracle install on this box here. That's the media agent 01 or 1, if you will. Going to push add there. Okay, looks good. Happy. Next. We're going to put our domain credentials in, and we're going to push next. So we're going to scroll down until we find the Oracle database. We're going to highlight that, and you notice it says provide backup and recover for Oracle database objects. So we're going to click on Oracle, and we're going to push next because it's the only thing we're adding to it. Since this is a Windows client, we're going to just click on Windows Client Group, add it, push next, push next. We're going to leave everything default here, push next. We're good there. Next. We'll do job initiation. We're just going to do run it now. Next. Okay, let's push finish. And that's the name of the Oracle database, actually. Fantastic. Okay. Thank you for viewing this tutorial on how to install Oracle client agent on a Windows box in Commvault.